Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss to you how to fix Samsung front load washer won't drain. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few steps that you need to do here. So first things first is you need to check the fuse or circuit breaker. First, inspect the fuse. Check if the fuse for the washer has blown. If it has, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Also, you need to reset the circuit breaker. If the fuse is intact, go to the circuit breaker panel and look for the breaker connected to the washer. Flip it off and back on to reset it. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to inspect this and straighten the drain hose. Look at the drain hose for any bends or kinks that could block water flow. Straighten the hose carefully. Ensure that there are no suctions or clogs in the hose. If you suspect any back blockages, you may need to disconnect and clean the hose. Now, if the hose is clear and you still have issues, there might be some problem with the drain pump or internal plumbing, so consider calling a professional. Also, you need to consider or you need to check or ensure the door is closed. So make sure the washer door is completely closed. The machine safety mechanism prevents it from spinning or tumbling if the door isn't securely shut. After closing the door, press the start button to initiate the draining cycle. Sometimes the door might seem closed, but it's fully latched. Next, you want to clean the debris filter. Find the debris filter, usually located at the front of the washer near the bottom. Open the filter cover, remove the filter, and check for any trapped debris or lint. Rinse the filter under water to remove any clogging. Ensure it's completely clean before reinserting the filter again. Place the clean filter back into the compartment and secure it properly. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.